Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So this video is about the Slickwraps transparent skin on the iPhone 11 Pro. Now I had read and seen a lot of videos about how dbrand skins are the best in the business when it comes to smartphones, electronics, etc. I really didn't want to pay for the dbrand skin. It was quite expensive. And then again, another question in my head was, what is the difference between matte screen protectors versus glossy ones? How are they different? You know, there were a lot of questions in my head, and then I came across an ad online by Slickwraps. I said, you know, how bad can it possibly get compared to dbrand, which advertises on YouTube and other mediums so much? So I went ahead and ordered. It was about $14 after, you know, all kinds of discounts. So as you can see in the package, you really get only the skin and the, you know, the sort of thing you can clean your screen with. And it looks okay, high res. I'd probably say medium to high resolution skin. It doesn't look the brightest, doesn't look the best quality, but let's see how it actually looks once it's been installed. I mean, I don't quite enjoy this because it just looks off straight off the bat. But you know, I'm gonna give it the benefit of the doubt, and hopefully it's gonna improve once I am able to actually put it on the iPhone. So let's take a look at that. And I have to say, it looks kind of good in terms of how it looks, but in terms of its feel, it's got a glossy texture, which means smudges everywhere. And ironically, the iPhone 11 Pro has a matte back, and this has a glossy texture. So in one word, my advice to you is do not buy this. So let's take a look at the Slickwraps website to get a sense of the price. As you can see right up top, you get about 60% off, and you've got the retail price of $24, but the reality is it comes down to $14 plus taxes, right? So this is a transparent serious skin by Slickwraps for the iPhone 11 Pro. And look, if you take a read of the reviews are quite positive. A lot of people giving 5 stars, but the number of reviews is quite slim. As you can see, stretches only 3 pages with about 3 to 4 reviews per page. So that comes to about 10-12 reviews on their own official website. Either the product is newly launched, which means it hasn't had enough time for reviews to get accumulated, or it's just not a good product. You know, people could have been paid. I have no idea to know, but you know, the reviews seem lesser in comparison. Now compare this to the dbrand skin. It's called Teardown by the famous channel Jerry Rig Everything on YouTube. It's called a teardown series of skins, wraps, etc. And the pricing of this one, I'll be curious to see what the pricing is. But in terms of the quality and options you get with this, I'll be curious to find out if this comes in matte protection or not. So let's click on the teardown skin and pick Apple iPhone 11 Pro. And as you can see, it comes in 2 finishes, original and ultra matte. So ultra matte would suggest more grip, hold quality in terms of the skin. That would for sure be much better than the Slickwrap protection I've got, right? So, and the pricing of this is about $19.95. So, you know, cheaper than, well, slightly more than Slickwraps, but much better grip. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you like this type of content. Thank you.